I am your refrigerator, and I know more about you than you think. You don't come to me only when you are hungry.
You come when you are bored. You come when you feel anxious. You come when you feel lonely.
You are not looking for food. You are looking for a feeling. Because food is energy. And yes, it can comfort you. But there is a truth you rarely think about. When you eat without hunger, you are silencing emotions, not solving them.
And then your body gets confused. It no longer understands whether you are feeding it or trying to heal your soul.
The most dangerous myth is that overeating is only about willpower. It isn't. Most of the time, it is a conversation you never allowed yourself to have. Sometimes you don't need a snack.
Sometimes you just need to pause and ask yourself, what am I really feeling right now?